Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll see how we can provide security to our data. So to do that, what we need to do is first you need to be signed into your report, okay, so that it can see the list of users who are available. For that, I'm signing into the server that we have created. So for now, I'm going to this chart that I have already prepared, and I want to categorize like based on regions. I want to assign like for central and east to one user, and south and west to another region. That is my requirement. So to do that, first thing is you have to sign in here. So if I sign in, you see it will show the list of users here. Now go to server here and click on create a user filter. So we have created a user filter on region. So I'm selecting that, and I'm selecting a user here, this user, and for this user, I'm giving this to click OK. Now, once I do that, it creates a filter here, you see, user filter. Just take this and drop it here, and automatically based on the user who has signed in, it will automatically filter, you see, because I have signed in here. This is the user who is working. Okay, suppose there are many users. So here we are individually assigning. If assume there are many users, then we can use functions like user domain or is username, or using these functions you will be able to assign privileges and you can fix them. So that's it from my side in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.